Thank you, Lord. This is event number 114, Heat 3. Swimming in lane 1 is De Guzman Haley Sean of MTST. Lane 2, Mendoza Liana Lindsay of ASS. Lane 3, Pasha Van Halen of ASS. Lane 5, Tacorda Beans Mary of PRBST. Lane 6, Vanessa Maria Paulina of GPSC. Lane 8, Fornes Jazz of GPSC. Once again, I would like to inform you that there will be a 30-minute break after event number 116. Once again, our lunch break will be after event number 116.